Anita, and I'm going to show you how to use accessories with your Shark FlexBreeze high-velocity cordless and corded fan. There are 3 accessories compatible with the Shark FlexBreeze fan: the InstaCool misting attachment, the cover, and the car charger. The first accessory, the InstaCool misting attachment, is perfect for those hot days spent outside. It is designed for outdoor use only though. To install, carefully align the mister with the circle in the center of the fan grill and push it in. Do not use excessive force. Next, screw the end of the misting accessory into the nozzle of a standard garden hose. Turn on the hose to create mist. Increase or decrease the fan speed to customize your misting experience. The valve can also be used to stop the flow of water. The valve is open when it is parallel with the rest of the accessory. Next, let's learn how to maintain your InstaCool misting attachment. For the best results, the misting accessory should be cleaned at least once a year or as needed. Using harder water will require more frequent cleaning. First, unscrew the misting accessory from the water source. Then, pull the other end off of the fan grill. Place the accessory on a flat surface and carefully remove each nozzle by turning them counterclockwise with your hands. Next, we'll flush the misting system. Once the nozzles are removed, connect the accessory to a garden hose. Aiming the accessory away from yourself or others, turn on the water and run it through the system for 30 seconds to flush out any debris. Now, it's time to clean the nozzles. Soak the nozzles in a solution of undiluted distilled white vinegar to loosen debris that may be clogging or restricting the nozzle. Soak the nozzle for 30 minutes. Do not soak for more than 2 hours. Rinse the nozzles thoroughly once they're done soaking. Reinstall each nozzle by twisting clockwise until you can feel some resistance. The next accessory is the fan cover. The cover can be placed on the fan to help prevent dust and light damage, but it does not guarantee that the product can be left outdoors for an extended time. To add the cover, position the cover over the fan head, then slide it on until the fan is completely covered. Cinch the drawstring on the bottom of the cover to secure it in place. The final accessory is the car charger. The car charger can be used to charge the fan while on the go in your car. Simply insert the larger end of the charger into a 12-volt outlet in your vehicle. Then, connect the smaller end of the charger to the underside of the fan head, between the 4 legs. If you're driving, be sure to place the fan in a secure location. And that's all. The Shark FlexBreeze Fan with all of these accessories gives you even more customized comfort. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.